This 2025 Winnebago View 24T is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep's 4 carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, refrigerator, water heater, leveling jacks, TV, LP detector, stovetop burner, awning, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago View 24T is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.